Hello guys, my name is Gina Ramadita Munaja.
Hello guys, my name is Aldi Reynaldi.
Hello guys, my name is Agil. Here, I will explain what a center punch is, starting from the material of center punch, how to make a center punch, the tools that must be prepared, then work safety, and soon. Center punch are an indispensable tool for the manufacturing world. Center punch are also a marker for the boundaries of cutting work and marker for drilling. Center punch have a shape almost the same as a scraper, but larger in diameter, and at one end made pointed and the other is made flat. Usually the material used to make center punch is ST37. Making a center punch almost requires accuracy and focus when making, because the center punch have a size that can be considered small. Below to present how to make a center punch according to standard procedure. Thank you.
First of all, we enter discussion of safety work. Is an effort that must be made by a worker when doing work. This safety work is very prioritized when doing work to avoid work accident. What are the things that must be prepared, especially to make a center punch? What must be prepared is personal protective equipment or VPA. VVA, which is used especially in Volman Bandung, such as workshop clothes. If the sleeves are too long, they should be folded to avoid unwanted dry. Safety shoes and safety glass. Not for women, if using the hijab, then the hijab is still back, and if those who do not use the hijab and their hair is long, then it is mandatory to tie it off.
The second is a discussion of the tools and material used during the center punch manufacture process. The material used to make the center punch ST37 is low carbon steel. For the tool itself, we use several kinds of tools, namely 1. Vernier caliper to measure the workpiece. 2. Flat edge lead chisel, which is for facing, tapered and elongated feeding. 3. Chuck for graving the workpiece. 4. Chuck K to thicken the chuck that will grip the workpiece. 5. Cartel or knurl is making strike or intersecting circular grooves on the outer or inner surface of a workpiece. The goal is that the surface of the planer is not slippery when holding it. 6. Wrench to thicken the chuck on the spindle part. 7. Brush to clean the surface of the chips or clean the chips that stick during the work. 8. Hand radius chisel for manually creating a radius. 9. Chisel stand for support when using a hand radius chisel. The third is about the working method used to make the center punch. The first step is to secure the workpiece to the chuck. Then, step 2, firing a flat edge chisel for passing by approaching the chisel to the workpiece and the feeding to the end of the workpiece. And then setting 0 on the side. Step 3. Enter the size according to the work drawing by touching the chisel to the workpiece and then rotate the sled until it enters the size.
Step 4. Make the profile slip by rotating the sled according to the work drawing and do the first profile work. Step 5. Make a radius profile by flashing the radius tool holder and radius tool, then do the radius process. Step 6. Make the cartel profile by graving the workpiece to the hand cartel tool and then do the cartel process. Thank you.
Step 7. Perform the tapering process for the tapered profile by tilting the slit according to the work drawing and perform the tapered profile process. Step 8. Do a chamfer process to disappear the sharp side on the workpiece. Then for the step 9, measurement to match the work drawing. Thank you.